In this video, I will show you how you can scrape Zillow properties without writing a single line of code. For this, I will be using Datablist.com. If you don't know Datablist yet, Datablist is an easy to use yet powerful platform to automate data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. So you could scrape and source data from Zillow or any other website, then enrich this data with additional business information like emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, and so on. And if you have just messy data, you can also use Datablist to clean your data. So with that being said, let me go here to Zillow and show you how it works. So as you can see here at this expensive apartments, I'm in Manhattan, New York. So I have here a Zillow search that I configured. And now I'm going to copy the search URL from my browser's search bar and go to Datablist. So when you arrive at the Datablist app, you will be here at the Get Started page. You can then create a new collection, give your collection a name, and then click here on See All Sources. Scroll down, select the AI Agent Seed Scraper, and then select here the Zillow Property Scraper template. So this is a pre-configured template. You don't have to do anything. You just select the template and then you paste your URL, the Zillow search URL you have here in the first field and scroll down. Then you select the maximum pages you want to scrape. So Datablist has a maximum of 5,000 pages, which is enough to start with, I would say. So, yeah, when you select your maximum pages, you just scroll down. And then click here on continue. Before I do this, I'll just show you what data you get. So you will get the property type, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, how many square feet this property has, the seller of the property, so the name of the seller or the name of the agency that is selling the property, the full address of the property price, and the Zillow property URL. So if you have one that matches your criteria, so you can just click on that URL and then you will get on the Zillow property page, right? So, and these advanced settings, please just don't touch them because they are necessary to scrape this search. So then you click here on continue, then you click on run import now, and this will create a task. And it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the task. It depends on how many pages you set, but it doesn't take long. So I will just let it do, and once it's finished, I will be back. Okay, here we are, guys. So we scraped a few properties from Zillow, 81, and we got the property type, the number of bedrooms, the seller, the full address, the price, the Zillow property URL and page scraped. So as you can see here on the price, these are real Manhattan properties, so I'm not joking, right? Yeah, and here the seller, Douglas, Elliman, Sirhan, Brown, Harris, Stevens, Compass. I don't know them, but yeah, they have some pretty nice properties to sell, I guess. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. If you have questions about this workflow or about any other workflow you could run in Datablist, just shoot me a comment below and I will reply to your comment or even do an entire video answering your questions. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.